Hi everyone, this is Dikshit. Welcome to my channel. In this particular video, we're going to discuss about Ansible tags. So let's say your playbook have a couple of tasks like more than 10 to 12. So in that case, like if you want to execute a particular task, so then you can make use of this Ansible tags and you can execute a particular task inside your playbook. So I've taken a simple playbook by which I'll explain like how Ansible tags will be helpful when you're running a playbook. So I have already kept my Ansible playbooks in the GitHub. I'll leave a link in description. You can also have a look into this and you can execute it in your missions. So the Ansible playbook is very simple. So I've taken host as local host means like I'm running this playbook on local host itself, and I'm setting like my root user to true so that like because I'm installing some tools like Apache here, so that's why I need some sudo permission. So that's why I'm setting it as true. And in the task, if you see I'm doing an install Apache, it is very simple and deploy a static website. So whatever the index.html I have it, so I'm deploying onto a var www HTML and I'm restarting it. If you see here, so when I execute the playbook for the first time, so then it's fine because it is installing Apache and then it is doing some configuration. So when I'm running the playbook for the second time, I don't want to, like, I don't need it. There is no meaning in executing the first thing because Apache 2 is already installed. You're doing some changes and then you're deploying it, right? So in that case, it won't doesn't make any sense. Even though like if you run the playbook for the second time, it won't create any problem. So I'm just talking about one task. Assume like you have like this task like more than 5 or 6. So it's kind of like time consuming and I mean it doesn't make any like extra things or it won't execute any things. So it will say changed is equals to 0. So OK is equals to 1, right? So I don't want to execute this particular task whenever I execute the playbooks for the second time. So this we can do it by using the tags. So wherein like we can run, as I mentioned earlier, a particular task by using Ansible tags. Okay. So what I'll do first, I'll copy this one and I'll copy onto my host with where Ansible is already installed. Ansible version. When I do this, so as you can see, I've installed 2.0.2.x basically. Okay, so now, so let me create a playbook, ansible.yaml, and so I'm copy pasting whatever I had it in that GitHub. And now what I'll do is, so we need some index.html as well. So let me create that as well, vx index.html, and then I'm inserting a simple HTML code which is hello, this is passion on Ansible tags. Okay, so let me end this one. This is very simple, so I'm just saving it. And now, so let us run this Ansible playbook, Ansible-playbook, and you can give the playbook because here the main thing is you don't have any host file because I'm executing on my local system itself. Okay, so as you can see now, so this okay because this okay comes because this playbook I've already executed. So that's what I said, like it doesn't make any problem. But what happens is like so now one task I have, assume like there are 5 to 10 tasks which are of the same type, like which doesn't change when you execute for the second time. So then it doesn't make sense, like it will be time consuming as well, right? To avoid those scenarios are like sometimes like you want to execute only particular task, so then you can make use of this Ansible task. Now when I go ahead and I when I hit this missions IP, I should see the HTML that I've given in my mission, like while configuring it. Okay, So as you can see, hello, this is session on Ansible tags. So now what we will do is, so we will make use of Ansible tags, and then we will run a specific task. So now when I run a playbook, right, it will gonna execute all the tasks. Like let me show it to you again. So when I execute this, so as you can see, Ansible playbook, Ansible YAML, so it executes everything. See task, install Apache, uh, so everything is executing. Sorry, this okay is for taking the gathering the facts, I guess. So now like install Apache, see it has installed. Now in the second run, if you see, so everything is okay, that's it. Like there is nothing to change except restart Apache. Okay, so now for example, now when I run it again, so with any changes, like let's go to index.html and let me change something here. So okay, I'll just change this part, and when I do wq, so when I run the playbook again, so whichever the things has been changed, so my file has been changed, so that's why now this one says like changed, because the index.html is changed. It is copying the new version of index.html to the Ansible, right? Ansible host. In my case, it is a local host. So that's the case. So wherein like it says changed, but wherein like if you see install Apache, it is still okay, because which is already installed. When you're running it again and again, so it doesn't change. Okay, so now so we need to execute only these two things whenever there is a change. So that time how we can do it? So this we can do it by using the Ansible tags. So for that also I have already a playbook which is written and placed in GitHub. So here, if you see, this is also the same thing. The only extra thing that I've added is tags part. So for every task, I've added a tag. So as you can see, tags install, and for this one, so I've added a tag which is config, and for this, I've added a tag, so which is a restart. Okay, I've copied that playbook with the tags. So which the file name is Ansible tags .yml. So when I just open that file, okay, so as you can see, I have just added the tags for each task. So the tag for this particular one is install, and this for this one, if you see the tag which is config, and for this one which is the restart. Okay, so now when you want to execute only this particular task, so it is very simple. So you need to give the command like this: Ansible playbook, Ansible hyphen tags, the playbook name, and I'm specifying hyphen tags is equals to config. So when I run this one, as you can see now, so install is not run, and even the restart Apache is not run. Only deploy static website is running in my case. If you want to run couple of, multiple tasks, so then you can give like comma separated value as well. So in my case, if I want to run like the config thing and this particular task and this one, so then you can make use of this comma separated thing and you can run. Okay, so let me give that restart. So when I do this one, see it is restarting the Apache as well. Okay, so this is how, so wherein like if you want to execute a couple of tasks, like one task, so then you can make use of this Ansible tags. And also there is one more option. So let's say you want to run like you have 10 tasks, you want to run 9 tasks, like leaving only one task, like leaving one task and you want to run 9 other tasks. So you can, rather than like that time, what you need to do, you need to mention the tags of all the 9 tasks, right? So rather than that, what you can do is, so you can use skip hyphen tags, and then you can give whatever the tag. So which task you want to skip it, you can give the tag of that. In my case, install I want to give. So when I give install, so it will skip that particular task and it will going to execute all other tasks. As you can see, so it is skipping the install one and then it is executing the other things. And then the next thing, which is a special tags. So when you when you tag your task with the always, so what happens is like, even though like if you don't mention in your tags, like when you run with this command. So when you run with this command, so you have not given, if you don't give that name of that task, like the tag of that task, it is always executed. Means if you assign always as a tag for a specific task, that particular task will be always executed. Except like unless if you specify an -FN skip tags, it will be skipped, or else it will be always executed. Okay, and next one is never. So this particular never tag, which is implemented since like 2.5 version of Ansible. So I won't be able to show it in my case because I have 2.0 installed in my particular mission. So if you have 2.5, you can just try it out. So when you take a tag, when you specify a tag for a particular playbook, for a particular task as never, so what happens is like it will be never executed unless you explicitly mention it in -FN tags is equals to never. Okay, and I have a playbook for that as well. So let me show you in GitHub. So wherein I have given the example for that. Like as you can see, I have, so which is execute always. So let me take this. So I have not included never because I don't have 2.5 installed on my machine. So that's why I have not taken the tag name as never. Okay. So let me take this one. vi special dot yml. So I'm naming it randomly. Okay, so let me save this one. Okay, now when I do Ansible -playbook, and when I give the file name, the playbook name, and when I specify tag is equals to install. Okay, so in this case, oh sorry, board, it is a typo mistake. Now I'm specifying, if you put C, I'm specifying install, but when I execute this one, see, it will execute this particular one as well. Execute always and install Apache. Okay. So unless if you specify in skip tags, so that time it won't execute. So when I just specify here skip tags, and when I specify always, when I specify, so in that case it won't execute. So now it doesn't execute. That is what I mentioned. Like when you explicitly mention in -skip -tags, so then only it will be skipped. Else it will be executed always. So for the never tag, which is reverse, like if you specify in -tags, then it will be executed, or else always it is skipped. So that is what I wanted to show in this particular video. Hope you liked it. So thanks for watching. So if you have liked the video, please share and subscribe. Thank you. Have a good day.